Hey everybody, so today is Friday, June 22nd. It's like 3 something in the afternoon. I actually just got off work. All my friends, they suck today. Like, I wanted to go out and do something after work, like go to happy hour, and nobody wanted to come. So I'm just on a solo mission. I'm at this place called Agave Uptown, and they do like it's like Latin Mexican style food. So I'm just here by myself having a drink, and I got some tacos and some ceviche. I had a really rough week at work, so it's like it's nice out. It's like I want to get out the house. I do not want to just go home and sit around the house. So that's what I decided to do. It's still early too, so it's not like, yeah, it's early. So we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys my food when it gets here. But anyways, I just got home. It is about 5 o'clock now. So basically, in my clips before this, I got off work and I don't know, I just had a long week. Like, I don't know, it was just not one of my best weeks, like mentally and emotionally. Like, I feel like I was beating myself up a lot this week. And so it was a nice day. It was cold all week, and then today was finally nice. And I was like, I just do not want to go home, like, when I get off work. So I text Nikki this morning, and I'm like, oh, you want to go to this taco place downtown, like where we both work? I'm like, we should go there after work and go to happy hour, go have drinks, eat some food. And then she was like, no, she couldn't make it. And then this other guy, my other friend, I wanted to hang out with him, but he had got off of work. Like, he had worked a 12-hour shift, and then he had to be back at work at like 11 tonight. And so I was like, we should hang out when I get off work. And he was just kind of like, he was tired and he wasn't really in the mood. Then I was texting Misha and Janae, and I'm like, we should go do something. Like, well, no, I text them, and I'm like, I'm getting ready to go to this restaurant for drinks. Like, you guys are welcome to join me. But Misha was still at work, and then Janae talking about she was taking a nap. And I'm just like, nobody wants to hang out. So basically, after work, I went and had like some food and a drink by myself, because I was like, I just don't want to come home and sit in the house. And I do get off of work fairly early, so I do kind of understand if people aren't available. But now I just feel hella tired from that drink. Like I said, it's still early, so if I do want to do something, I still have time to do it. But I think I'm just going to take it easy and chill in the house. I have like boxes, a bunch of boxes over there, like wigs, hair, makeup. So I planned on having a film day tomorrow. I don't have any, well, I kind of have a client. Janae wants me to touch up her wig, but that's whatever. But I don't have any clients tomorrow, and I have these wig videos that I need to film. So tomorrow's going to be a filming day for me. So I think tonight I'm going to like clean up, because my room is kind of a mess. Clean up. I may even try to film one of the wig videos tonight. I do have a makeup video I want to shoot tomorrow. I'm expecting a few more packages for like some shoes and some clothes. I want to film a summer shoe try on haul for you guys this weekend. Like, I have a lot of things planned, so I think that I'm going to take it easy tonight and just kind of prep myself for tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be a film day. Misha was also talking about going to like this little boat party or something tomorrow. So we might do that tomorrow night, but we haven't got our tickets yet. I'm like, let me know so we can buy our tickets. So I might do that tomorrow night. So I'll probably check back in with you guys tomorrow when like my weekend really gets rolling. Alright, so it is 10:46 and I just finished filming. I was able to get through 2 videos. I probably would have been able to do a third one, but I wanted to change my outfit, but I didn't feel like changing, so I was like, I'll just film it on another day. But yeah, I just got my base in right now. This is just like my universal base for braids, especially braids that you want to anchor down. So I just have a bunch of braids going straight back, and then this braid right here, these two in the front. This is just like a universal base. But now I'm tired, so yeah, this is the one thing I hate about filming at night. It's like I have to do my makeup and everything, and then once you finish, it's like, man, I had to take all this off. Like, at least when I film in the morning or during the daytime, like, I can get some wear out of my makeup. But then it's like at nighttime, you do all that just to take it off. But I'm happy that I was able to push through and get those 2 videos filmed. And then tomorrow I'm gonna film another video, which is gonna be a makeup video. Yeah, you guys will see it, and then it comes. But yeah, I'm super excited for my new content. Yeah, like I'm feeling motivated. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and lay it down and get some rest so that I can have another productive day tomorrow.
My study thing. God damn. There you go. Here's Sharmel overnighting the view of San Francisco. Doesn't she look fabulous? She's wearing some cute jeans. Right, what she want?
Shouldn't have.